Hi, I'm Teacher Sheng. It is my joy to share my knowledge because I believe that the essence of having something is sharing. In this video, I will be sharing 10 wrong things you might be doing which results to encounter laptop problems. Number 1. It is wrong to place your laptop on your lap, though it's called laptop. Why? Because if your hard disk is not that good, its life will be lessened, and time will come, your hard disk will fail. And worst thing that can happen, you may not be able to open your files. So always remember to place your laptop on a table or flat surface where the hard disk will be stable and not shaking. Number 2. It is wrong to place your laptop on foam bed because the laptop is hot, and putting it there for a longer time may cause damage. Even placing the laptop on any area where it can easily sip the dust or lint from the cloth is not good. Those dust and lint will be trapped into the blower and soon might cause problem if it is not cleaned for a longer period of time. Once it clogs to the heatsink of the processor, the laptop will overheat. Number 3. It is wrong to use very easy and so common passwords. Your laptop is your personal thing. You need to secure it at all times. There is no use of password if it can just be easily decoded. Password is a feature of your laptop, so it will be more secured. Number 4. It is wrong not to shut down your computer whenever you put it in your bag. Remember that the hard disk will be affected if it has become your habit to just put it on sleep mode, especially if your hard disk is HDD. Even when carrying it going to just near places, better shut down your laptop. Number 5. It is wrong to cover the keyboard while the laptop is on. You see, the keyboard has airways so that the heat coming from inside can pass through. If your intention is to avoid any dust entering into the keyboard, better cover it when the laptop is already off. Number 6. It is wrong to save on Drive C, though you can find there the default folder of document. Drive C is the location of the installed operating system and other software. If the operating system will be corrupted, surely your files which are saved in Drive C will be corrupted also. So the solution is to save all your files in Drive D or E. By this, anytime the operating system will be corrupted, your files will still be safe. Number 7. It is wrong that your laptop has no partition. The hard disk where you save your files should be divided or partitioned. For example, if you want 3 partition, then you will have Drive C, D, and E. If you want to have 2 partition, then you will have Drive C and D. The operating system, say for example Windows 10, will be saved on Drive C. Other software that you want to be installed can be saved there, but your files should be saved on Drive D or E. Number 8. It is wrong to just save your files without backup. You cannot just relax that anytime you can open your files. There are unexpected things that might just happen while you are using your laptop. Your files can be corrupted, so let your files be saved to external drive or save it online. Number 9. It is wrong to overcharge your battery. If you want to maximize the life of your battery, follow the right way of charging it. Number 10. It is wrong to upgrade your OS to higher version if you have just the lower version. Say for example, you have Windows 7, you cannot just simply upgrade it to Windows 8 or Windows 10 because the requirements will not be met. It will make your laptop slow and you will not be happy with its performance. Better stay in the original operating system. These 10 wrong things you might be doing with your laptop should be corrected. Let's take care of our laptop properly. This is Teacher Sheng. Please like this video and click subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.